drowning in a sea of finances and unsure which software can throw you a lifeline. Today, we're diving deep into Quicken Simplifi and QuickBooks, two titans of the personal and business finance world, to help you decide which one reigns supreme for your needs. First up, let's talk target audience. Simplifi is geared towards individuals and families looking for easy tasks, budgeting and expense tracking. Think of it as your personal financial assistant, helping you stay on top of bills, savings goals, and investments all in one place. Simplifi's interface is sleek and intuitive. Setting up budgets is a breeze, and its automated transaction categorization saves you time and effort. You can easily connect your bank accounts and credit cards, giving you a real-time snapshot of your financial health. Plus, its investment tracking capabilities are a great bonus for those managing personal investments. Now, let's shift gears to QuickBooks. QuickBooks is designed for small to medium-sized businesses. It's a full-fledged accounting solution offering features like invoicing, payroll, inventory management, and advanced reporting. With QuickBooks, you can send professional invoices, track payments, and manage your business's cash flow effectively. Its reporting capabilities are far more comprehensive than Simplifi's, providing in-depth insights into your business performance. Let's break it down further. Simplifi excels in budgeting and personal expense tracking, offering a user-friendly experience. QuickBooks, while capable of basic budgeting, shines with its invoicing, payroll, and detailed business reporting features. So, if you're a freelancer, small business owner, or anything beyond, QuickBooks may be a better fit. Ultimately, the choice depends on your specific needs. Simplifi is your go-to for personal finance management, while QuickBooks is the champion for business accounting. Consider your current financial situation and future goals to determine which tool will empower you to take control of your money.